Hey, what's cooking, Cody? I don't know. Again, thank you for asking. Welcome back to episode 2 of Cooking with Cody, or whatever it's called. I'm not even sure. But this is a very special episode. We are cooking some great stuff today. But first, before we cook, let me introduce my amazing guests. We got some good ones today. Today we have on the show Reggie and Michael. Come on out, guys. Come on.
Hey, thank you.
All right, we're here. This is Reggie. This is Michael.
What's up?
And we're gonna cook some delicious Christmas cookies today. We're using Betty Crocker, 2 bags. So this is what you're gonna need. What else do you guys want? So how do we start this, Michael? What do we do first? All right. Get a bowl. Let's go. Okay.
What is this?
Eggs. I got eggs. All right.
What exactly is this then?
It's cookie dust. it's. Oh my God, Mr. Stark. Look at him. We're eating on the dead Thanos snaps.
The dead Avengers, man.
Yeah. So before we move on, what inspired you to come on the show today? I know like there's tons of applicants and stuff.
You know.
Why did you want to? Out of all the cooking shows on the internet, of course, there's a lot of them. You know, not as good as this one, of course. But what else? What?
Because this is the only show I could get on.
Honestly,
I'll take that.
I had a lot of other options, but you know, this isn't just really called towards it.
Because I'm here.
That's great.
Alright, that's
Michael
why
came.
I called towards it.
To one
We
unsalted.
have to. No.
That's
all, they're already out.
Yeah, they're already out.
Yeah.
We better have some
That's
salty
right. What's
cookies.
this?
Some salty cookies.
Guys, these are some really salty
Wait,
cookies.
isn't the butter gonna melt like out?
Get a bowl, bro. Get a bowl.
I was
What's
thinking-
wrong with you?
Come on, man.
What? Come on.
I'll cut
Are
it
you
up.
serious?
Professional cutting.
What is that? What is that? What?
Guys, you'll see when we make it next time.
Next
on the Cody Show.
time on What's Cooking, Cody. People die.
Alright, let's keep that in the shower, right? There's no singing out here.
I'm actually professional.
Reggie, sorry, when was the last time you were even on this show? Well, or no, on the
I
network.
used to
Sorry,
be-
you were like you had this like 1 second cameo, and now you think you're all that.
Yeah, now he thinks he's the
Yeah,
Johnny.
exactly.
I mean, word?
Okay. Oh, here it comes.
Oh,
Why would you? Is that an eggshell?
We got a problem, boys.
Yo! What are you
We're
doing?
good.
We're good.
Situation is awesome.
Okay, we're
Sorry, not a professional egg cracker.
Alright, I'll show you guys how to do it like professional. Let me show you guys how to do it. Like this.
Oh, okay. Oh my God. What are you so? Wait, so? Okay, just a bit more. What are you doing?
You gotta crack all the way around. So
Oh!
yeah.
What is wrong with you?
Okay, ready? Check it.
So what could we actually teach, like grammar-wise, while we're on the show? I mean, like you have like this is your segment, like this is your time to shine and actually teach the world something.
Alright, so one, when you are speaking,
Yeah.
this is I.
Oh yeah. Predicate nominative. What are you smacking it like that?
Alright, should we start?
Ah!
Wait,
My eye!
I'm gonna scope handsome Scooter.
Why would you do that? Yeah.
Check it. Can you get a close up of this? Handsome Squidward.
It looks like a skull. It's so creepy.
To be or not to be?
That is the question.
question.
You play Club Penguin, Reggie?
Please don't talk about it.
Why?
Yo,
That's like a lost member. Right
It was
there.
great.
Oh my god.
I can't even grab it. Wait, get it like I'm gonna get a knife.
Alright, I'm either gonna ruin the dough here or make it better because I'm getting your lips up. Just throw them on there.
Oh, I got a question. What's your favorite Christmas movie or holiday movie? Holidays, just in case it doesn't have to be Christmas.
I'd have to say the Grinch.
Wait, which one? The Jim Carrey one?
Yeah, duh.
What? What's up with you?
The new one is whack.
Well, no,
There's a
but
new
I'm
one?
talking about the old one, like the.
There's a new one?
So the way there was How the Grinch Stole Christmas, like the cartoon,
Yeah.
like the cartoon that was like released in like the I don't know,
Yeah,
the
that's-
the
we don't care
1800s or
about
something.
those.
What? What did you
Cody,
say?
don't push
What
me.
did you
Just
say?
'cause you were-
What did you say?
Just 'cause you were in your team.
I like Christmas Vacation, National.
When National Lampoons with Chevy
I've
Chase.
never even
You
heard
ever
of
seen
that.
National Lampoons?
What the heck are you guys talking about?
I'm cold.
Is it an anime?
Yes, it's anime.
Oh,
It's an anime.
Wait, oh.
What is up with you?
Wait, are we not using the rest? Wait, we should just make a big cookie with the rest.
The Hulk, everyone. We didn't see him in Avengers Infinity War because he's right here.
He was busy cooking.
He was right here.
Oh, on your dome.
Come here, boy.
Oh yeah.
Come here, boy. Ah! Shot.
gonna be
Hey, wait, you got one shot. Hit the cash.
Over him.
Oh! Hey!
Hey! Okay, okay. We gotta
Alright.
have fun. Alright, now it's work. Alright, let's go. Bring this over. It's gonna get stuck to like SpongeBob and
Not
Mr.
Jimbo.
He's gonna morph. He's
Yeah,
gonna
you should go
morph.
away
He's
from
gonna morph.
It's morphin' time.
Yeah,
It's not gonna be good.
Those
We're gonna have to
are
take the
take a
other
little
cookies
longer.
off first.
How long
What
do you
is-
think it can take me to drink this?
Alright, wait, come
You
on.
do
come
this
shot, come
every
shot, come
day.
shot. Come on. Alright, it's gonna say, I'm gonna say 7 seconds.
I'm saying
Alright, wait, I don't have the time.
4 seconds.
I don't have the timer. Come on. Alright, go.
That hurt.
Did you finish? That was like 5 seconds.
That was pretty good.
Dang, I mean, woo! You feel good? You feel energized?
No, I feel pretty crappy.
If you get a story time.
Alright. Some water just came out of my nose.
Story time.
That's
Almost
all
done
it is.
today.
Just like elementary school.
Thank you.
Down me some
Clickbait.
milk.
Yeah.
Bowls to make the color of the ice cream.
Oh my goodness. Oh my
I'm
God.
over-
What are you up to?
Yeah, because they're.
What's the stream?
Then switch them.
Fell in love.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Alright, so are we decorating now?
I don't want to leave that unattended.
It'll be fine, I'll remember. Alright, I came at Liam for decorating that, but like...
Bro, what the heck is that? What the heck is that?
I just want to say I think this video is coming out great.
It's not a video.
This is
Real
a
life.
journey. This is a journey. What? What are you gonna say, huh? Jumbo!
Did you just say hi, yeah?
I did. What is that?
Hi, yeah,
Who is that again? What's his name?
Pit.
Pit, yeah. This is great. So we're gonna lather it. And you wanna taste? Just a little taste. It's good?
Where are the plates?
Oh! Oh, grab me. I love you.
The blob.
I've waited my whole life for this.
Oh.
How do I turn this
Dry.
off? Let's just mess yeah, just pour mad icing on it.
A thick layer for a
Oh.
thick mommy.
It's so creamy.
It smells like
Yeah.
It smells like burnt something.
I don't know, yeah. There's no word to describe.
It's just
what
burnt.
Yeah.
Does your camera, can it smell?
Yeah, I can smell.
You
So
guys
viewers, what you're smelling right now.
It's 5D.
Yeah.
5D CODY.Network.
This is disgusting. Okay, just wait a second. Alright, now get a close up. Get a close up with this. What is
I
that?
think it's a masterpiece.
No, what actually is that though? I don't think you can call it that. I'm gonna
Oh
throw-
my god.
Ew, I'm gonna throw up. What is that? What is that? Ew! You can't eat
As
that!
you guys
You
can
can't, you can't eat that! Wait, hold it up. It's burning a hole through the bottom of the plate. It's melting.
Alright, I'll take a bite for the viewers.
Okay.
It's morphing into something else.
Yeah. Oh, alright.
This
I'll
is
take
not
a,
human.
I'll take a
Oh.
thick.
Oh, okay. Get it. You gotta get a bit of everything.
Oh my god. That's
Oh.
nuts.
It's not even cooked.
It's not.
You gotta get a bite too, get in here.
Come on, Reggie. Come on.
Oh,
Come on. And then we'll
my
sign it
God.
out. We'll sign it out.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Alright.
1,
2,
3.
3. Oh.
That was pretty darn good. Whoa. That's pretty
Whoa! Oh, that was great. And that's what's cooking, Cody. See ya. Bye. Merry
Peace.
Crimbus.
Peace.
Later.
Merry Chrysler.
Merry Chrysler. Oh, Skadoodle.